Yo. One second. Let me figure this out here. I always have a problem with this. Yo. Finance is up, guys. You should be able to get on there. They're trading right now. Go. VeChain, baby. Second, I'll be right there. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. I'm having a great day. I hope you are too. And I think this is going to get a little crazier pretty soon. So, yeah. VeChain, obviously some big news. I was excited to watch Box Mining talking and Mr. Superman. But, I mean, what else can I say? It's pretty obvious where this coin is heading. Has been for a while. And yeah, enjoy the ride. One second. Let's see. Good morning, everybody. Boye, what's going on? How you doing? Good morning, everybody. Boye, what's going on? Ooh. Red looks good on me. Yep. Yeah, excuse my appearance. Just wanted to get live. So normally I will, change and do my hair and stuff, but it's just been a crazy morning. For the people that are asking what to do, what's going to happen, basically all you need to know is, first off, you should watch my first two videos on VeChain. This hasn't updated yet, so according to them, it's a 373 million market cap. But let's look at the coins in the top 30. Okay, this is my rationale. Okay. When people ask me what my targets are. So you got the big top 10, and that starts with Monero at 5 billion. Neo 5 billion, Bitcoin Gold 5 billion, Stellar Lumens 4.7 billion. You start to scroll down, you got the Waves, Stratus, BitShares, Ardor, HShare, NXT. These are all billion-dollar coins. Zcash 1.5 billion, Omisego 1.8, Lisk 2 billion. Okay, so we keep scrolling, and you see VeChain down here at 53. But you compare the partnerships that VeChain has with their model, with their branding, with you now have guys like Box Mining Superman covering it. They're partnering with the government of China to build a smart city. They're partnered with PwC, Kuehne and Nagel, Renault, BMW. They've also stated that they have more partnerships that are under NDAs that they will be releasing soon. As I mentioned in my past video, their whole Thor announcement is actually over, I believe, 45 days. So we're only halfway through their actual rollout of their full deck. And they still haven't revealed how the masternodes are going to work. Will there be a secondary currency akin to gas with Neo? They've also said that there will be a big exchange listing, and they listed Huboy today, which is a big one, but that was supposedly a surprise listing. That's not the big one. So when you think of the big one, if Huboy isn't big, then you're talking Bittrex or BitThumb most likely, or Bitfinex, but probably Bittrex or BitThumb. This is the type of coin that would get listed on Bittrex. And normally, I would probably be running to TP right now, like, oh, look at the price. But when you look at the way altcoins have performed, especially in the past few weeks, and even historically with news like this, like look at Verge. John McAfee tweeted he likes Verge, and it goes up like 300%. Ripple up huge. Cardano has done 500% in a week. Tron 400%. Why would VeChain not do the same thing? You tell me that. So are you going to get happy and sell at 50% or 100%? That's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. But personally, I'm in it for serious life-changing money. And I haven't TP'd not one Satoshi worth of VEN. I haven't. And I'm not saying you should do the same. Everybody has a different strategy. But personally, I want to see how this plays out. There's no way in my mind that this is not a billion-dollar coin. So that means we have room to grow. It should be a multi-billion-dollar coin, actually, when it comes down to it. So just think about that when you start to pick your own targets. Turn off my Telegram sound. Yeah, I'm just going to turn off Telegram because it's driving me crazy. Yeah, turn that off. Sorry about that. There's some big walls on Binance. Look at that. Think it will hit 1 billion this week. P-Moon? Yeah, I do. I actually do. I think so. Yeah, they're trying to keep it down. That's normal. Yeah, some people are cashing out pretty hard. I mean, I don't blame them. When you have a huge position like that, they probably make crazy money. They'll get bought. Do they have a news conference on the announcement? I don't think they did it yet, no. But they've definitely got some stuff cooking. And part of why, open up my gown. No. Part of why I believed in VEN was the team around it, the partnerships, but specifically Sonny Liu is the leader, CFO of, CIO of Louis Vuitton. This is a guy that understands marketing, man. He understands the branding. He understands what it takes. And like when you look at crypto, like when a guy like McAfee could, and I love John McAfee, but when he tweets, I think Verge is good, and it goes up like that. I mean, it's pretty obvious that this market can be influenced very easily. So somebody that's coming from like the corporate luxury goods world who understands this, and then obviously a bright guy that sees what's going on in crypto, this is somebody that I'm confident will know how to do this. And this morning, if you were in VeChain's Telegram, you saw Box Mining there, you saw Superman there, and you saw Sonny in there, and myself, of course. I think there's definitely big things coming. You're red and I'm blue. Sold my Wabi for VEN. Yeah, you're smart. You're smart. I like Wabi for the record, but like a lot of the Wabi guys kept trolling me. Oh, it's so much better. Your VEN sucks. I'm like, okay, whatever you say, man. Yeah. So I know it's VEN day. It's very exciting. However, I do want to let you guys know, if you're watching now, you're gonna get a special little gem here. So my coin contenders, I guess VEN was the first one I did, but back in September I did do a video where I talked about my Jurian dollar coin, and that was EOS at about 60 cents. So I saw EOS and I saw the potential. I didn't think it would blow up this big so quickly. I was expecting more towards the summer or the spring of 2018, but it was something that the price was just so low, and I had the vision. I saw where it would go, you know, in the future, and I don't think we're even there yet. But after EOS came VEN, and after VEN, if you follow me on Twitter, you probably know which one I'm talking about, or in Telegram. But the coin that I'm really starting to look at really hard, and when I make profits on a trade, I'm putting it into this coin specifically because I think the price is so low, and that it will inevitably be a multi-billion-dollar market cap coin, is Cash. Cash. So if you haven't looked into it, and Cash spelled with a Q, so QASH. A lot of people made fun of me because I kept calling it Quash, but it's actually Cash. And it's one of those coins that when it hits Binance or Bittrex, it's just going to do a Cardano. It'll go 500% in a week, I think. They have their World Book beta coming out soon. And basically what this coin does, and I will make a video to elaborate on it, you know, much more detailed, and then either Stillman or Iron Fist will help me with a write-up so you guys can see all the fundamentals laid out in front of you. But I have, there's a lot of reasoning behind it. First off, Japanese coins are hot right now. It seems that Chinese coins are starting to come up again, but for a while they were kind of laying dormant, and Japan has a spotlight. Japan is very, very crypto friendly. So, you know, I about a month ago, we were talking to the analysts and the team in the dojo, and they said, look, we got to be ahead of the curve. Let's start looking at Japanese coins. And Faz, one of the senseis there, actually called Cardano before it blew up. That was like a godlike call. Yeah, Cash, I believe, is the next one. And it's not going to happen today or next week or maybe even this month or next month. But it's just something where if you have profit and you want to store, you know, you want to make an investment. Like I said, EOS was like a grandma's coin. So like, let's say your grandma goes, I want to invest in Bitcoin, and she gives you $5,000. You know, you take that money and put it in something like EOS when it was 60 cents, or Cash when it's 5,000 sats, and you just leave it there. And 6 months from now, you're going to have stupid money. That's what I think, you know. So I'm just putting a little at a time. I just keep buying it as it goes down, and I'm actually already green in it. But in my opinion, I think Cash is going to be like, it might make me like 5 Aston Martins, you know, when it's all said and done, maybe more. But that one is definitely something, if you're not looking at it, to pay attention to, in my opinion. Also today we have a bit of Lux. Everybody was so scared. Lux is another one that I just have and I don't really worry about, like, at all. Yeah, Lux is, they still haven't had any catalysts. Like, the fork is coming. I know they discussed a token burn coming. More exchanges are coming. What else? The developers are going to be non-anonymous anymore, so that should do away with a lot of the FUD. In my opinion, you know, and people PM me and like complain, cry and bitch and, oh, you made me buy Lux. Yeah, I want to read you the message I received from this lunatic, but I won't. But it's kind of like, all right, well, I guess I probably have more Lux than you, pal. So, like, why are you complaining to me about the price? You think I'm happy about it? I'm not unhappy. I am happy because at the end of the day, we entered around 13,000 sats or 15,000 sats in that range. So we're still way over 2x plus US dollar value So if you entered when we signaled it, and GAT had been shilling Lux forever, I mean, at crazy low prices, most of us bought it around $1. So then, like, if you jump in and buy it at $9, you know that you don't know how to do crypto, and you need to learn it. You should either join GAT's group or pay me, you know, and I'll teach you. But don't come complaining, you know, you didn't. It's like, oh, what's wrong with this coin? I don't like it. I put all my money in it. What does it do? It's like, yo, you didn't even do your research? Like, what the hell is wrong with you? Just hold. If you're one of those guys, if you're one of those guys that ask questions like, what exchange is VEN on? Or you know, thoughts, VEN thoughts. Like, I guarantee somebody's going to pop up and go, VEN thoughts? Like, if you're one of those guys, just hold BTC, man. Just put all your money in BTC and just hold it and don't even look at it. Because you're going to lose. You will lose your money if you're that guy. I promise you. It's every time. And every time BTC goes up like 3%, they're like, oh, yeah, we're going to 50,000. It goes down 3%. Look at last night. Everybody was shitting themselves. Oh, I think it's going to go to 15K. You know? Like, what? I told the group, I said, look, the people that were nervous, at the end of the day, with a gun to your head, do you think Bitcoin is going to be over or under 25K in 2018? Over, right? Most of the people said over. I mean, where do you see Bitcoin in 2018? 50K? Is that unreasonable? Do you think it won't happen? I think it will. So what does it matter? 15K, 17K, 18, 19, it goes up and down. They're like, oh, should we sell now? It was like at 18 something. I'm like, for what? You can save yourself 3%, and then when it does a crazy bull run, you don't know what to do, and you're paralyzed, and then you end up with fiat. You know, meanwhile, Bitcoin's mooning. So you need to control your emotions. I just went off on a tangent, but it's very important for people to learn how to control their emotions and think logically when stuff is happening. Because as you know, in this market, stuff happens like very quickly. Yeah, so let's see. I haven't even been looking at the chat. Let's see. Should I sell my BTC for VEN? Cash. Yeah, VEN Villet Moon. Bought cash a couple weeks ago. Yeah, Piss Pie. I bought it too. When I first bought cash, it was at 10K sats. That was my first position in it, and I lost like 50%. But the good news is I bought 80% of my total position at 5K or below. So now I am up. I've already made money. That's how you got to do it. And you can only do that with certain coins, like that you are confident in their fundamentals. You're confident looking at it that, you know what, in 2-3 months it's going to grow. So like, for instance, people were asking me, because I've been talking about VEN. You know, when I released the first VEN video, the price like dropped shortly after. Like it went up to like maybe, I think like 4,300 and then dropped. And it was sitting below 3K. And like, then it went down to like 25K and 24K, 23K. Like that's when I bought a ton. I loaded up. I didn't get scared. I knew nothing had changed. BTC went up, but to me, nothing had changed. And then it pumped up to 6,000 and I didn't sell. And a lot of people around me didn't sell and they were pissed. And, you know, in retrospect, yeah, perhaps I should have sold because then I'd have, you know, maybe 50% more VEN now because I would have rebought. But it was one of those things where I just know where it's going. So to me, it's more of something that I just keep adding to my position. So when it dipped back down from 6K, I bought more. And I just a week ago, I mean, on Instagram, I put a picture. I had bought VEN at 3,200 sats. That was maybe 5 days ago. So, you know, when you've done your research and you analyze things, you can really make better decisions. And that's kind of what I'm talking about when you say you come in and go thoughts. You know, no, do your own research. When I got into crypto, I'm not like some tech genius. I'm not some market master or stock trader. I'm just somebody that works really hard and got addicted to this, where I spend all of my energy getting better, learning, talking to people, understanding the market, and doing research. And, you know, in the beginning, I did so much research and I was so confident on certain projects like AntShares/Neo. And I let other people that hadn't done the same work that I did kind of talk me out of it. You know, like so when AntShares went to $15, you know, I got sell, this is FOMO, you know, quote unquote experts telling you it's no good. But in my mind, I knew where it was going but yet I sold. And when I made that decision, that just totally changed. Ever since I sold Neo too early, like, I've been on fire. Because at that point, that confirmed to me, I know what I'm doing. I believe in my picks, and I'm going to go with it, you know, regardless of what anybody says. And once you get that mindset, you're going to find that you win. Think about how many times you were like, oh, I knew it. And like some coin goes 300%. And you're like, I knew it. But like maybe you walked into a room and said thoughts, and somebody said that coin's shit. And then you're like, oh, yeah, maybe I won't buy. You know? So that's why I'm so against that, personally. But, oh, back to Neo. The fact that VEN had partnered with Chinese government is actually good for Neo, because it indicates that, you know, China is obviously moving forward with blockchain technology and cryptocurrency. And I would guess that there probably will be some sort of similar announcement for Neo as well. And also another good indicator for Neo is when gas is pumping. So I would hold that Neo if I were you. Lend was sick. Yep. 50,000 BTC. Yeah, why not? VeChain selling. Yeah, enjoy burning money. What's a good entry point for VEN? It's too hard. It's gone parabolic. So I don't know. I mean, in my opinion, yes, it will go above $2. I think. I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. The good entry point was like the last month and a half that I was shilling it. Now you have to chase it. Let's see. Antonio. Super gem. Okay. Maxwell, I don't know anything about it, but I will look into it. I'll look into that. It sounds interesting. Right about Qtum? What do you mean? Right. Right about what? VEN is better than Qtum. Period. You'll see. Do you live co-vesting? Do you live co-vesting? I don't know what co-vesting is. Mod. I will. Ooh. Gat says it's no good. I don't know. Maybe I won't. Icon. Yeah, Icon, another one. Yeah, that's going to be huge. I'm Korean Jew, man. Of course I'm going to have Icon. Are you kidding me? Icon's going to be sick. Dragon Chain is sick, too. That's a good one. Undervalued. Yeah, Bravado. Bravado is like the Dragon Chain kings. XVG. XVG I don't get. I hate that coin. But I'm happy for the people that made money on it. Best place to buy cash. Wherever it's the cheapest. There's been like a lot of arbitrage opportunities. So probably Huboy. I mean, Bitfinex is like really scary to be on. So like if you buy it like on Bitfinex, buy and like take it off. Like, I wouldn't be on Bitfinex too much. Gate. Yeah, but is there volume? It depends. Some people like, you know, they want to buy like a good amount of it, and it's hard. It's hard to get. Thoughts on Icon right now? Thoughts. Buy it. That's my thoughts. Just buy it and hold it. When they have mainnet at the end of the year, it's going to go like way up. Icon, it doesn't really matter. I mean, look at the order book. I'm not even looking at it, but like try to see where the support is and then buy a little higher than that. Like put an order, you know, you should be able to get it. Yeah, Max, you're like me. I want everyone to get rich too. I don't know. What is Bitcoin Red? Anybody know? I don't know what the hell that is. Yeah, let's see. Shout out to the dojo. Who's in here? Because everybody has different Discord names. So, anybody in here making savage cash? Infernos, there he is. He knows. The dojo life. You know what it is. I don't know how much longer it'll be around. You guys are a handful, to be honest. Purcell, yeah. Oh, somebody is PMing me. Let's see. You guys can't imagine. It's too funny. The stuff that comes through my inbox. My God. EOS triple digits. I don't know about that. I mean, that would be if it overtook Ethereum. Yeah, I would hold VEN. I would definitely hold it. That's what I would do. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I think basically everybody from November December session re-enrolled. So that would mean that we must be doing something right. Chainlink, Foz, one of the partners, loves Chainlink, loves it. What is happening to Qtum? Is it pumping? Let me see. Oh, holy shit. Wow, look at that. Nice. I'm happy for them, to be honest. There's so many bag holders. That's good. I'm glad it pumps. That's awesome. Pearl. Yes, I am, Jaden. Of course I'm holding it. I mean, I took some profit, so, I'm happy. I already made money on it. I bought more in this range, like the 27,000 to 32,000 sat range. I bought a little bit more. Yeah, Qtum just went wild. Neo? Why? Gas is pumping. I know in January, I believe the gas reward doubles for holding Neo. With the VeChain news, it's indicative that China may have, that Neo may probably announce some sort of partnership with China as well at some point. I think Neo will definitely be $100 soon. Everything's pumping. We're in a full-fledged bull market right now. Yeah. Let's see. I can't answer all these questions at once. Let's see. So, how do I look at the chat and not get confused? Okay. About that Lux Life. Let me see. What's up, Robert? Not yet. Probably by the end of this week. VeChain looks good. I like VeChain. ETP, I'm staying away from. For now. WTC still a good hold. I would buy VEN, man. But, you could buy, you could hold it, I guess. Put the chat on your other, over OBS. Put the chat on your other monitor over OBS. Can keep it open the whole time. That's right. Good idea. Good idea. Let's see. What's going on? Sweet. HD camera's ready. Let's see. Link thoughts. Why did they censor Beaver Brian's comment? Are you actually a Korean Jew? Yeah, damn right I am. Thoughts on sub? I love sub. Bought back at 45, so I did the same. Yeah, my mom's Korean, my dad's a Jewish guy. Bought VEN, sold at 35. Yeah, Seth, you should have listened. Yeah, Walton is good. It's good. It's definitely good. I mean, I don't know. Like, I feel like I got, like, all I was meant to get out of Walton. And it really, I mean, it changed my life. And I love it. But to me, I noticed that, like, in crypto, you know, like, when you're, like, kids in, like, middle school and high school, you know, any sports fans out there, like, baseball fans. So I was, like, a huge Mets fan. And there was always these kids in school that, like, whoever won the World Series that year, they would have, like, the hat or the jersey, you know. And then the Lakers, when all of a sudden they're a Kobe fan. And they used to be a Jordan fan. And now they like LeBron. And they're just, you know, you call them front runners. Because whatever's hot, they go and, oh, yeah, that's my team. You know, and I was like, damn, that kid's such a dick. You know, I didn't like it. But to relate that to crypto, it's kind of like, you know, like you're that one loyal fan, like the Cubs fan. You're like, oh, I finally won the World Series, you know. And you stick with your team. It's kind of like how people are with these coins. They're like, oh, man, I won the World Series with Walton. And I'll never let it go. And I'm just always going to buy it when it dips. And, like, for the most part, like, unless you're doing that with BTC, that type of mentality has hurt a lot of people's portfolios. I've noticed that. And, you know, that front runner kid that just, like, goes from one to the next to the next to the next actually is winning, you know, in this game. So as much as, you know, it holds a special place in my heart, I still don't hold loyalty to any coin. Because at the end of the day, the only coin I hold loyalty is Bitcoin. And why would you buy an alt if you... The only reason for buying alts is to make more Bitcoin at this point. Because if you buy an alt and it doesn't outperform Bitcoin, then you lost money. So to me, it's like I sold all of my WTC. I was taking profits the whole way up, but when it pushed, when they did the masternode AMA and it pushed to 0.002 sats, and then it retraced a little bit and it stayed in that range around like 0.00175, I just sold the whole thing because I was like, you know what? I'm at like 1,500% in like a couple months. I mean, how much more? How much more do I want out of this? I mean, I want more, but can it double from here? The odds of it doubling versus the odds of it going back down were significantly higher. So I just got out and I didn't look back. And I'm like, you know what? I'm going to find something else. I'll find something else. You know, because that's what we do. I look for the stuff that's not pumped. Like, I was pissed I missed Tron, you know, and Verge, and Cardano I missed. You know, but I get to a place where you can't buy every coin, you know, and I consolidate my power into a few different coins, and then I wait for good things to happen. And then when I do, I make a lot of money. And then I take it out and I do it again, and you just repeat. So, you know, when I see other coins like blowing up, and they're like, oh, let me sell the coin that I did all my research on that I'm confident in to chase this coin that I don't know why it's blowing up, but I'm going to buy it. Like, that's how you lose a lot. So, like, part of the trading psychology is realizing that every day there's opportunity. So if you miss something, you shouldn't feel too bad about it, you know? Don't let that throw your game off. You just have to stay focused and stick with your process and your approach, and you'll find that you start to do well. And then, you know, like, so for instance, Qtum just went like 100%. You know, I'm happy for them. I didn't have any. But, you know, at the end of the day, just think of it that way. Somebody's making a lot of money. This is great. More money is coming into the space. More people just became rich. More people became millionaires. More people quit their jobs. More people don't have to work for a corporation. More people are going to go tell their friends, look what I did. You know? Look what's going on here. I'm becoming fucking rich. So get in here. And then what that does is you're going to see that market cap go from 600 billion to a trillion to 5 trillion. Because word spreads fast, especially when it comes to people making money. So, you know, it's good. It's good. Don't let it bother you if you didn't have the coin that mooned, you know? Civic. Ugh, Civic. That guy, what's his name? I even forget his name. How did I forget? The guy from Civic. What's his name? Will you say it when you sell VEN? I'll say to take some profit. Yeah, I will. I usually do. I'll be like, hey guys, this is getting crazy now. You might want to sell a little. What's your number? Call me. You guys are talking about Bill Cosby in here? Crazy. Hey Scott, see, you happy now? I'm glad. Wanted to make you money for sure. Scott's my guy. Yeah, I think the VEN masternodes will be profitable. Yeah, absolutely. First target, 20K sats. Yeah, Vinny blocked me, so I'm like, you know what? I'm dumping your stupid coin. I was making like a funny joke, and he didn't like it. Do you think the industry will peak at a certain market cap like the .com bubble? Yeah, it will. It will. I think. What do you mean it's just hype? They're building a smart city with the Chinese government. What the hell are you talking about? It's a $400 million market cap coin. Look at the other coins on the top. Come on, man. You're a clown. Anybody that thinks VEN is just hype is a lunatic. they're a lunatic. Don't listen to them. That's the guy. You go, VEN, thoughts? It's all hype. Yeah. Their partnerships aren't real. Okay. These are the same guys that were saying to sell at 3,000 sats, 3,500 sats. Oh, Wabi's better. Sell your VEN. Okay. I don't care what you say. Wild. Charles. Yeah, Cardano is really good. Iron Fist is like severely bullish on it. Will you get a VEN masternode? Yeah, probably. Get a couple of those fuckers. Why not? I want to see what the rewards are like. But I'll probably put some in. Yeah, Cardano's really good, but you know, it's really pumped too. It's crazy what it's done. You know, so like, yeah, it's $12 billion market cap. That's not something I buy. You know, when people are like, yeah, Ripple's gonna go 28 billion. I mean, how much higher is it gonna go? It's crazy. So, you know, I think. How much VEN? You need to watch the video. Is it time to buy more? Those walls, though. Yeah. Where do you get it? If you have 10K, then that's the smallest one. Then it's 50K and 150K, and then the big one's like 250K VEN. But for the three small ones, you get you just have to leave it in your MyEther wallet before I think December 23rd, and you're good. Yes, I did. I'm an icon. Yep. Yeah, Piss Pie knows. They knows what's up. Like those type of walls don't just pop out of nowhere. Like they're trying to. You'll see what happens. Not worried about it at all. How I do my research. Okay. So now I'm lucky because I have team members that help me. So basically the first thing I do is like, let's find some random coin. Dent is used. VeChain. I was actually looking at this the other day. So I'll go to the website first and see what it's about. They usually have some video. I'll watch that. First unbiased review platform built with blockchain technology. So that sounds like it's like a Yelp type thing. And then I'll just look and I'll decide, like, does their concept even make sense to me? Do I like this? If I don't like it, then I'm done. All right, so let's see. I don't really like it, but I'll look at it. Generation, blah, blah, blah. Using blockchain tech, we managed to create an economic R token, VeChain acquired an absolutely stable internal token. Then I'll read the white paper. If I actually no, I don't do that yet. I'll look at the team. I don't know who this guy is. Nobody really good here, from what I can see. Yeah, I've never heard of it either. This wasn't planned. But, yeah, I mean, partners, grandma, IBM. That's interesting. It's on Cryptopia, KuCoin, Ether. All right, so then maybe no Asians. I'm not buying it. Basically, yeah, at this point I would probably start to look at the white paper. Then you look at the team members, checked out their LinkedIns. You start to read blogs. Then you join the Slack or their Telegram. You check out their Reddit. You speak to people that you trust and see if they know anything about it. And then it's something that continues. You know, you just keep an eye on it. But yeah. I would also check and see how much they raised in their ICO, things of that nature. Yeah. Good? I should charge more. This is too much work. It's crazy work. It is fair. I think it is fair, though. Thank you. What else do you invest in? How long will I be staying in crypto? You never know. I mean, I'd like to invest in property, but it's like kind of like we were talking about this yesterday. Like, what's your magic number? How much is it? 10 million? Is it 1 million? You know, but then I'm thinking about it like, okay, so let's say I hit my magic number, right? And then what do? I take it all out and sell to what? Fiat? Because to me, if I get to where I want to be, it means that crypto has gone mainstream. The market cap is big. I've made a great amount of money. But think about what we tell people as Bitcoin and crypto enthusiasts and traders to convince people to come in. Is that basically like fiat is going away. And this is the future. So once you make your money and you have like 100 Bitcoin, let's say, what are you going to do? Sell it all for fiat and then fiat crashes? Imagine how dumb you would feel. Like, I don't think I would ever leave this market completely. No, I won't. I'll take some out or I'll buy property with my Bitcoin once that's allowed. But I don't know if I would ever completely leave this market. It wouldn't make sense. It would be too dangerous to do. What was the conclusion? The conclusion is it will be a billion to multi-billion-dollar market cap before you know it, and I think the price is still cheap. Get on the link train. Pull it up. If you don't, if you do, we'll start shilling. I know there's so many coins out there to keep up. I don't have that coin. You want me to shill your coin? I'm not doing it. I don't even know what that coin is. Where should I store my Ether wallet? Put it on my Ether wallet. All right, fine. Autonio. Let's see. So it's $4.4 million market cap, 220 total supply, 65 million. Room to grow. There's room to grow. Okay. Yeah, it's been hit. It's only on Ether Delta. Okay. Ether Delta gem. I like that. Let's see. I don't like this. What the hell is this? Artificial intelligent trading system that turns crypto trading to a more rewarding competitive platform. Oh, this is kind of like Mirocana, right? By making use of 25 indicators for lever game that will rank users based on the most rewarding strategy optimizations that can be bought. Makes sense of a multitude of chaotic crypto assets. Contact the most profitable trader for a consultation fee. Tip the best fee strat. So this is kind of like this is kind of like TKR or Ethos. Yeah, I like this concept. Yeah. Okay. I don't know anything about these guys. Okay. I'd have to research them a little bit more. Oh, look at this guy. These pictures are kind of suspect. Complete AI trading begins. So has the trading began? Why would I? No, I already got it. I have some Mirocana. I do have some. All right, interesting. I don't know. Platform goes live. Big connect that too. Yeah, the team, right, Jed? I agree. Sideways. Like, who are these guys? Where are the Aston at? This is ridiculous. I mean, I don't know. I feel like now I'm like kind of forced to buy an Aston Martin. I have to do it. I don't. It's not practical. It's not a practical purchase right now, but I don't know. I think I have to, right? I owe it to my fans. It's like now I'm like they're like other cars I want now. I think like an X5, an MX5 would be more appropriate, but I don't know. Perhaps. 5 Astons later. Oh, BTC is pulling back a little bit. Buy a Camry. Buy some hookers. Buy a new car. My Korean side definitely wants to start buying stuff. My Jewish side, not so much. I love my Jeep. Yeah, Aston is like, maintenance is going to be it's going to be rough. I know it. BTC Red. Can you tell me about BTC Red? I don't know what that is. So tell me. It's the new Bitcoin, is it? Is Coinbase adding it? I don't know what it is, man. How does it materialize into value for the owner? The price goes up. Or you put it in the VET token, you have a masternode, so you would get rewarded. But the VET tokens, yeah, it's a shitcoin. How to buy low and sell high on Binance. Let's see. BTC Red. What is it? Was this a fork? Yeah. So was what's it? eBTC. People made money on that. Listen, I don't care. You know, we in the dojo we gave significant time to looking into CryptoKitties and deciding if this is something we should do, because it doesn't matter. I mean, we're all here to make money, so I don't care if it's BS or what it is. I mean, if people are gonna buy it, they're gonna buy it. On Bitcoin, on crypto market being in a bubble. What do you think about people's thoughts? I think that's their thoughts. It depends on who the people are that are saying that. So, just to me, I know this is anecdotal, but I don't know about you, but my phone's been blowing up with real life people all the time. The type of people that you wouldn't even expect to be investing in Bitcoin at this point. And they're basically they're putting a portion of their investing portfolios into Bitcoin, and they're holding it. They're not trading. They're just holding it, kind of like gold. So to me, I think at 600 billion, we're not even close to where it's going. I believe it will go higher. It's not going to just go away. There's more money coming in, without a doubt. So I don't think we're there yet. Yeah, we are. It's almost full. So I think, I'm not sure. I got to check to see how many spots are left. But once we cross over, then I just close it. So if you do want to join, because last month I got a whole bunch of PMs, or even this month, can I join for December? I'll pay the full fee. If you want to join, you better join now, because I don't compromise. Once it's closed, it's closed. So I don't care who you are. Which video is your tutorial? I did it. How to buy low and sell high. There's a tutorial for that. Yeah, think about it this way, okay? This was a major indicator for me. You saw what Ripple did last week? Like, Ripple pumped hard, and that's already like a multi-billion-dollar cap. So to move Ripple means billions of dollars are coming in, and you can't buy Ripple on Coinbase. So my guess is that a lot of new people started to buy. They must have made Bittrex accounts or whatnot, and they're starting to buy altcoins, which is a really good sign for the market, because it's not. That's why Bitcoin dominance is only at 53%. I'm starting to think the new blood is starting to get into altcoins finally, which is very exciting. It's exciting when both Bitcoin and altcoins grow at the same time. Yeah, I got you, Jonathan. No one has explained it properly. Can you explain what happens at a hard fork? If I have BTC, do I get free? What do you mean no one has explained it properly? Go Google that, Volim. No one. We've been through forks. What are you talking about? I need to step it up. Like, I only have like 2,500 subscribers on YouTube. Like, I want like more so that I could be on box mining stream. I want to talk to box mining. I want to talk to Superman. I want to talk to these developers. This is where I want to go with it. Obviously, I'll change my clothes, but you know, I want to interact with these other people that I look up to. You know, and obviously, it's like, you know, your heroes become your competition at some point, and when you're consistent and you produce good content and it's of high quality, that will come. So this is something that definitely is my goal. I also am working on a website that I think is going to wipe the floor with CoinMarketCap. So when that's out, I'll definitely let you know. But I think it's something that is going to be awesome and a great utility for crypto traders to use. So the dressing gown, you're better than all those guys. Yeah. So hey, the dog man in the house, the enforcer. Yeah. Yeah, Jonathan, one day they'll have to recognize. Constant uploads, highly searched keywords, and questions related to crypto. Yeah, I have to do more and more. I have to get better at that. A better design. Yep. I agree, Charlie. PM me. I need help. I'm gonna have some friends. I need some friends to help me, like, to do. See, you see, I got the green screen popping though, a little at a time. I got my microphone. I got my setup going on. It's progress. We're making progress here. No, did you see the news today though? Yes, I do, Charlie. I think I do. A little market pullback here. Yeah. Sounds good. Yeah, I need to step it up, be more professional, like my mom says. I'm perfectly happy doing what I'm doing, to be honest. You know, people told me to change my name. A lot of people told me. They're like, Korean Jew might offend somebody. What? I'm sorry if it offends anybody, but that's my life. That's me. So I will not change my name. I do not think you will regret looking into co-vesting. Crypto thorn hairs. TA beast. TA is... I'll look, but when it comes to the stuff that I do, it don't matter, man. It's overrated. It's very overrated. A lot of these quote-unquote TA beasts, they can make a chart say whatever they want it to say, and they have huge followings, so they go, oh, this is about to break out, look at this. Look at this, and then people just start to buy, like, oh yeah, it broke out because of the chart. No, it broke out because this guy has 50,000 followers, and you just told him the chart looks good. That's what happens. Get a mouse with a silent scroll. Silent scroller. That's what's holding me back, Dan? My mouse. Guarantee I guarantee you're gonna make a Lambo. I guarantee. I can't guarantee anything. How do I know if you're an idiot or not? You know, like there were a lot of people that sold VEN at like 32k sat or 3,200 sats in the dojo. Like, oh, I'm gonna take profit. I'm like, I wouldn't. You know, but I can't control what you do, and I can't guarantee anything. All I can guarantee is that you're gonna. If you're asking questions like that, you probably need to be there. That's. I don't smoke any. I don't smoke. Enjoy. And don't call me Juju. I don't like that. Yes, I agree, Monty. How much do I smoke? I drink beer, but I don't smoke weed. I used to. I used to smoke plenty. I'm half Korean. My eyes just look that way. Not because I smoke. Yeah. I need 2K more for a masternode, but therefore I have to sell all Sonum and Icon. What do you do? Sure. That's an interesting question. I wouldn't sell Icon. And Sonum seems to be on the uptrend with some good new. You don't have a fiat or something? What's my advice? Beer, I said. Beer? No. This guy's a nut. I mean, like I said, I used to... That's not for the stream. I have vices. But I've worked on them. I don't speak Korean, unfortunately. Unfortunately. That's very sad. And it's still going down to buy. Yeah, let's see. What's the price at? 85? If you want to buy it, I'd probably wait for a dip. Like try to put it in at like 8100, you know? I love all music. I listen to hip hop, I listen to classic rock. I love classic rock. I love Billy Joel is my favorite. He's not even really classic rock, but Billy Joel is my favorite artist of all time. But I love hip hop. Like, I know old school stuff. I love funk. I love James Brown. I love Earth, Wind and Fire. I love pop music. I can even listen to some country music, like Chris Stapleton I like a lot. Anything, corny music. Like, I don't listen to much classical anymore, but I have. K-pop, no. Piano Man is like one of the most overrated songs and overplayed songs. It's a great song, but yeah. K-pop, no. I already bought that. Yeah. When VEN was under 3K, I bought like a ton. Anything, like I'll put on like a playlist, you know, like anything really. But like Mozart, Bach, like that type of stuff is really good. Like for relaxation. DMX, I got a ton of DMX on my playlist, of course. I was born in the 80s, so like I grew up with like real hip hop, you know? When will I TP VEN? When it's over $1 billion market cap, probably. I think Chris is. Chris has been really keeping an eye on Sonum. It's just Tupac's one of the best. Tupac is like Tupac's one of those guys that like he never made a bad song, you know? Like kind of like T.I. too. Like there's certain rappers that like you can't like name like one song where their verse was bad, you know? Tupac's one of those. He can make any song sound good. I'm from New York City and New Jersey now. How does the VeChain master work? Yes. Watch, if you're asking questions about the masternode, just watch my video. I just did like a 20-minute video on this, so you know, some of these guys are like, hey, TP is take profit. Fab is nice. Look, oh man, Piss Pie, you just won. You just won a free entry to the dojo. Psych. Early 20s. I'm 33, man. Grown ass man. Yeah, that's why this little pump stuff, I don't really get it. That's not my thing. Zanzibar, that's a good song too. I like that song. You guys can see that. I forget that my screen is being shared. Like 30 or so. Yeah, I'm 33. Yep. Yeah, it's never too late. Living the dream, damn right. I'm gonna grab coffee. I'll be right back. Is that still here? TP on one multi. What jobs you do before you made millions of billions? I didn't make millions of billions yet. I've worked in healthcare for about 15 years. Management of dental offices. Yeah. That's what I do. Thoughts on XVG? No, that was the Keurig machine. Knowles. Yeah, Knowles, someone asked me about that. I did check it out, and I thought they were supposed to do a new website and like do all this stuff, and they just never delivered. So I'm not going to get in until, I see something from them. There are other coins to look at. Like VeChain looks pretty good right now, to be honest. VeChain. Hey, that's what I like to hear, Furkan. I have the Yeti. It's a Yeti mic. It's my pleasure. You know, this is life-changing for a lot of us, like myself included. Thoughts. I'm not giving you my thoughts. You have to give me your thoughts. That's how this works. This is not the other streams. I'm not going to just answer thoughts. You got to tell me why. What are your thoughts, Rels, on BlockCat? Why should I look at it? Of course you are. Biggie Smalls. Yup. Making money I would never be making. That's the beauty of it, man. I wish I was, oh my God. If I was a younger KJ getting into crypto. But you were life-changing as well. But not, all right, Mikkel, I didn't see it. Don't take things like that personally. I didn't see it. Was this on Instagram? Okay. Was this today? I'm going to like it right now. If I can. Oh. You're in the dojo too, huh? Yeah, I missed it, man. Freemason. Hey, I'm very anti that. You ain't gonna see that. You know? I don't like it. I mean, it's a true story. You could ask. I mean, from the... Thanks, No, I can't buy Link because me and Foz have a competition. And that's his coin. The Link. What's Link? What's the price? Let me see. Maybe I'll buy it. Maybe I'll buy it. Let's see. Oh, it went up. I'm not buying it now. It was like 1,000 sats a little while ago. I'll wait. Not buying it yet. Awesome. Yeah. Furkan, being that you're there, let me just explain, and I can't promise that this will happen every time, but Seth, do I look like I'm missing any boats? I'm gonna be driving the fucking boat, bro. Come on. If it goes up, good. I don't come in with like little tiny amounts, where I could just take, when I go into a position, it's not a small position anymore. So I'm not going to, just because you're telling me I'm going to go and put, Bitcoins into Link right now at this price, I'll wait. I see it. I know about Link. Exactly. I'm not one of those guys with 20 coins in my bag. I have a few that I'm very confident on. And Link, frankly, I'm not as confident on that as I am about Cash, EOS, VEN. So, I may buy some, but I'm not. You won't make me FOMO. That ain't going to happen. So give up. You can't win. Mario. Mr. Mario. Yeah, I consolidate myself. In the dojos, what was it, like 2 weeks ago? There was, I said, look, I think everybody here should have made significant money, but if anybody for whatever reason is not making money, I want you to PM me. And the 3 people PM me, like, they made money. They made crazy money. Targos. What is the almighty Targos? I think I saw him that's a guy in CoinSheet, right? What is Targos? No, I know, I'm messing with you too, Seth. I'm just saying. I feel great about Icon. I think it's going to be huge. Yep, that question is pretty common. Yeah, Icon's going to be big. Dragon Chain looks great. Yeah, he's an OG, I guess. Too many bags will make you drown. Yeah. Hey, Chris Black in the house. Yoda. Targos is a god. Nice. Yeah, I think... Yeah, Targos has been WTC. Parth Shah. What are you doing? I'm not going to even answer that. I don't like that. Cool. You guys will take, it takes like 24 to 48 hours to get the confirmation. But as long as there is no date. As long as you sent it, you're in, pretty much. What's up with Bitcoin Cash? Guides, websites, you remember, TA. I think basically you should go to TradingView and look at like the top guys. Look at their charts. That's good. Venture Coinus is really good. CryptoBud has some good stuff. There's frankly, like I looked at a lot of stuff from like Forex trading. You just learn like a little at a time, but it's not the be all end all say all when it comes to altcoin trading. I mean, it's extremely important when it comes to large market cap margin trading. So if you're doing margin in Bitcoin, your TA needs to be really good. But if you're trying to trade like mid cap coins, like don't just look at TA because you'll get destroyed. I don't know. Ubaka, Rado, Ubaka. Yeah, I know. I know. It's all right. I'm waiting. I'm not worried about Icon at all. Icon's gonna be huge. How many different coins do I have? So, no problem. I have, what do I have? I have Lux, I have VEN, I have Cash, I have EOS. Of course, I have Bitcoin and Ethereum. What else do I have? Is there anything else? I have something. What the hell do I have? Oh, Neo. That's right. Yeah, I have Neo. And I have a very small bag of voxels. Yeah, good call, Parth. ZRX is something to watch out for. I agree. I agree. Yeah. Yeah, the cash. I'm going to be a cash cow. Cash cow. That's going to buy me the summer house when cash goes. Nice. How do I feel about ARK? Let's see. ARK. What is it? What the hell is it? 34. I haven't checked this in a while, actually. There it is. Mobile wallets, good. This needs to go up. For ARK to go up, it needs to be more than 10% there. The smart bridge. First iteration. I like ARK, but it's I don't know. When it gets to a certain price, I mean, I signaled it. We made like 10%. ARK almost doubled in the last couple of weeks. Yeah. ARK under 20k sats is like easy. That's easy money. Did you check Stratus? Stratus, of course. Stratus has a lot of stuff coming out. Their Masternode implementation, the Breeze wallets, side chains. There's a lot of stuff coming out for Strat soon. Of course. At least in US dollar. Yeah, US dollar doesn't matter though, dude. I mean, it does, but if you're judging your trading of altcoins off of US dollar, that's like a consolation prize, you know? Like, because basically, if you bought a coin that depreciated in BTC value, then you lost money, basically, buying that altcoin. It was a loss. So that's what people do. Like, when they lose BTC, they go, well, my US dollar went up. Well, if you didn't buy alts, you would have made more US dollars. So in essence, you lost. So don't say that. That's like a loser mentality. You know, if you lost BTC, you lost. Period. It's so funny. Like, in the last few months, my BTC went up like crazy. Like, we've done well. We've done well. And like some guy on Twitter was like, I don't believe your BTC grew. How is that possible? Like, what? This is what people are getting hammered because they don't know what they're doing, and they're talking about, well, my US dollar went up by 100%. Well, BTC went up 500%. Yeah, exactly, Donovan. Exactly. Yeah, there are guys that had. Yeah, believe me, there are plenty of guys that got hurt over the past few months that we're currently coaching back to prominence again. You know, they had 50 BTC and now they have 25. I mean, they made US dollar, but, you know, had they just held BTC, they would have tremendously more money. You know? The reality is, it's a zero-sum game, and there's some people that are doing really well, and there are some people that are bleeding, and these are the same every time. You could see it. Like, for the ones that have been around, Samit, the guys that have been around, anytime BTC moves or like something moves, you go to Telegram chats, like big ones, you know, not just mine, other ones. You'll see there's always these people, oh, freak it out. Should we sell now? Should we sell now? Like when it's at an all-time low, like your coin just got hit by 50%. Like, should we sell now? And then the next day, something else is mooning. It's up 100%. Good entry. Ripple, thoughts? You know, like those are the same people that just keep losing money over and over. And those are the same people that PM me. Like, in the dojo, can you guarantee 300% return? Or they're asking me like a million questions. I'm like, you know what? It's all right, man. You don't need to join. I'm not twisting anybody's arm, you know, anymore. Period. Because, you know, everybody re-enrolled. It speaks for itself, you know. And it's because it's a good group too. It's not just me bringing the value. I have an awesome team, awesome partners. Foz, even though me and Foz like to go back and forth, I really respect what he does. He's killing it. Chris is outstanding. Stillman and Iron Fist, two analysts that just they work their asses off to give you guys great content. And we're very interactive. And besides that, the people there are serious about this. So they, like Johnny is another guy that's a contributor. He's killing it. He recommended Dent. Pearl was another one of his. He's like the king of the shit coins. It's the truth. I mean, the people in the group offer tons of value, like the members. So, you know, if you join and you come in talking that nonsense, I'm going to kick you out. I'll give you a refund because I don't want to deal with any assholes. Laszlo, check any of my videos. The link is there. So, Foz in the house. Alco. Yeah, Alco. That was Johnny's. Go to www.kjcryptodojo.com if you want more information. But I've been hearing throughout this stream, my Exodus over there is making noise. So I'm guessing more people are enrolling. It'll probably be closed soon. Is this a rant? It's a rant. What is the best way to grow your balance? Give it to me and yeah, of course. I forgot Eric. Yeah, Big Easy is he's killing it. He's killing it. Zahn, yeah, the people in the group are really good. Like I was so excited when Zahn joined. Yeah, Chris. Big Easy. What did he call? He called like everything. Waves, Pole, some other ones. I'm trying to do it like once or twice a week, Vindicta. But I want to have like a schedule so you guys know, like it'll be like Thursday nights or something. You guys liking this? I'm waiting for my thumbs down. There's always some jerk that gives me a thumbs down. Use a hater. Use a hater. Okay. Do I do Bitman? No, Foz is the master of that. That's not for me. I'm thinking about it though. I think I may. I've been practicing, but I haven't done it yet. Chazzy. Schedule would be awesome. Yeah, Mario and Foz. Rec was Mario's call, I believe. Young Mario. Is it a terrible idea to take a break from crypto while on vacation? Yeah, of course we looked at. We called QSP at 1400 sats. We called it. We know. Went way over 2K. Got the hell out. Go back. Be happy to contribute to them. I don't get paid. Do paid groups, but we'll be here for. Well, let me ask you this, Vindicta. Over the past 3 months, has your portfolio grown in BTC value? I'm curious. Vindicta. Oh yeah, yeah, 1K. Okay, all right, whatever. It was a good call. Johnny was at the tip of the spear on that one too. If you're not following Johnny on Twitter, you should. By how much, Vindicta? Over 100%? Over 200%? $500%? Because if you say yes to 500%, then PM me. Maybe we can work something out. I'd like to have you on my team. If you can do 500% over the last few months in this climate, then you know what you're doing. So, you know. Okay. I'm talking about with altcoin trading. Wrong? I don't know. Ask that. I don't think we could keep this pace up. But basically, I would say probably 90% of the signals have been successful. 4x up BTC. Feels like shit. Should be more. How much to join Dojo? 0.02 BTC or 0.5 F? Yep, there's Foz. The Wabi monster. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. I can't remember. They ain't not profitable. It's true. It can't continue, but I don't know. Maybe it can. I've been hot. That's the bottom line. I've been hot. Foz has been hot. This isn't new for us. Like, since like June, July, me and Foz and others, like Eric, and we've been killing it. And that's why I partner with people that I see that are no BS, you know? It's not like I have one coin and it did well and that's my coin, you know? Like, we just keep going. We keep it moving. Can I explain sell walls? What do you mean, explain? What's to explain? Somebody wants to either keep the price down or somebody has a big position and wants to sell it. It's two options. A management option. You should be able to join. You should be. Let me see. No, you can join, man. Just click at the top. It says how to join, and that'll bring you to the form. And then you fill it out and pay. Good time to buy VEN, sir. Well, I mean, in my opinion, I think a lot of people bought VEN under 3K, so they're happy with, you know, this type of return. Let's see. Oh. Okay, Max, welcome. Oh. Let's see. Yeah, look at that volume. crazy. Big walls. Very bad time to buy VEN. Yeah, I think 8100. Jimmy. So join, man. If you're interested in join, what can I say? Max, I prefer. Yeah, you could do that. Actually, you could do that. But I'm not going to answer this second. But I don't like the Masons either. Yeah. Go back. How low? 81. It could. It could. I don't know. I think it's gonna go way up, so that's why, you know. Is that Jimmy? Is that Ringo? The real Jimmy? The Tron whale? Let's see. Yeah.
Don't panic.
If you're holding VEN or Lux or Cash,
don't panic.
This is the song for you.
Nigga, don't panic. Shorty found a love with a hustle.
Don't panic. Okay? Do not panic. Just hold. Hold and buy dips. I'm looking over there like the camera's over there. It's over here. $9,000 sats are low. Co-vesting. Foz, do you know about co-vesting? Binance and Tron are running a trading competition. Do you think it will affect trade? Is it too late to jump on Neo? Yeah, don't panic, Vitaly, Adrian. Just don't panic. Another milestone. Let's get this money. What do you think of co-vesting, Foz? Is it good? Welcome, Noah. Yeah, you wanna start. I prefer PMs. I don't prefer PMs because I get too many. But on Telegram's probably my choice. I've done 5% in the last few months. In BTC value, Noah? No, but I'm saying your 500% ROI, is that in US dollar value or Bitcoin value? My favorite coins for I don't have a specific favorite coin, but I would say in 2018 I like EOS, VEN, and Cash. Those are my three favorites. 300% in 2 weeks. Damn. 300 in 2 weeks. Do you have a private group mirror? I'll join. How much? It's been a crazy few weeks. Cash, QASH. Icon's good too. Yeah, see, there's so many coins. Those are my three favorites, but I like Icon. Lux I like too. Come on, man, there's too many. There's too many. Lux could easily make me the most money. It's possible. But I'm just talking about like the ones that I've sunk, you know, heavy allocations into that I think are going to be an upper echelon type crypto. Lux is not my favorite. I still have plenty of Lux. I'm just trying to tell you guys, you know, here's the problem with Lux. All you guys panic. You guys panic too much. Like, I know this market, and like people, if you don't give them something crazy right away, they lose interest very quickly. So like Cash, EOS, VEN, those are going to attract more mature, larger portfolio type investors, institutional investors. That's what I'm looking for. It's going to be whales pumping into VEN, Lux, VEN, Cash, and EOS. You know, because the liquidity is there. With a coin like Lux, you put 5% of your portfolio, 3% in, something like that, and you just park it there, and you hope it goes 10x, 20x, 30x, something like that. You know, but every time it moves, you don't go, oh, you know, like, this is a scam. It's annoying. I didn't, Josh. I missed it. I wish I did, but I have some from ICO, so I'm just holding that too. And don't get me wrong, I'm not like a holder. I trade, but certain projects I tend to now hold. I like seriously learned my lesson, and if they dip, I just buy more. That's why I always keep a certain amount of BTC handy in case one of the coins that I'm really bullish on goes on a dip. You know, I won't sell and try to buy cheaper because I've seen that backfire way too many times. I just buy cheaper and then hold. It is comfy. No, you have to wait, man. It's for January. January 1st, you'll get the Discord invite. Okay, Parth. Uh-oh. Shots fired. Anybody know what happened with Qdom? Why it pumped so hard? Qdom's $50. Wow. That shit coin. It's crazy. Qtum. I don't know. It could happen. In general, I think BTC is still bullish, and Neo, I think you have time, but you have to check out the price action. You don't need to buy like at the top, but let's see. Oh, it's starting to go again. I don't know. Everything's pumping. I mean, it's everything. What's cheap? a wild day. I don't know. It's probably, if you're up like big, this wouldn't be a bad time to start putting some of your profits into BTC, to be honest. The alts are just going crazy. And the alts are just wilding right now. They're going ham. So, you know, if you're up huge, maybe last month we had like 114. I think this month we're gonna do 250. So, yeah. There's an airdrop soon. Digibite. Ugh. ADA is cheap. Oh yeah, Avid and no, you. Yeah, Bittrex is not great. It's a little sketchy. So I guess my favorite would be Binance, but I use Bittrex, Binance, Cryptopia, EtherDelta. I've used HIT BTC, KuCoin. I have access to most exchanges, just because, you know, if something special gets listed, I don't want to have to wait. So, yeah. Welcome to crypto, Donovan. That's awesome. Ryan is laughing. Little competition never hurt nobody, you know. I don't have anything against anybody. Like I say, we're all here to make money. So, you know. You keep your trading stack on the exchange? No. I have plenty in hard wallets. I use different stuff to stay, you know, safe. You don't want to have too much on in any exchange. And security is very important, by the way. Something we talk about a lot. Ooh, there's another. Thoughts on NXT before the 28th? Well, Ignis Futures is trading for a very high price, so I think NXT is another one we talked about. I give credit to CryptoGat for that one. He's the one who first started showing it. I think a lot of our people got in around like 1,500 sats, so they killed it with NXT. It's still got some room, but I think once the airdrop happens, it's going to dump hard. So, you know, you might be able to do it. Top 3 to hold other than Bitcoin. EOS, VEN, and Cash. Yeah, no, you're right, Andy. You're right. Absolutely. You could still get hacked with 2FA. There's no doubt. You know, or the exchange could do an exit scam. There's a lot of different things that could happen where you could get burned. You know, it's still very, very dangerous. Are there any coins which relate to streaming music? I don't know. Never heard of one, but I actually have to go and get started with my day. But, yeah. Remember, don't panic. Music coin. Just joining Wabi and Icon. Nope. No thoughts. No more thoughts. I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good one.